Dear judges, when you click on the link that was sent you, you'll be taken directly to this page. Now, this is what we call our quick start guide, which is like the front end to the website, which is now kind of like the back end. The beauty about this is that you don't have to navigate the site at all. This is really your dashboard. It has the specific links that take you to where you need to go. So this will be your marching orders specifically for helping the judge on the Wyoming Association broadcaster. So let's go ahead and walk through this real quick. Again, you return to this when you want to proceed. The first thing you're going to see here is a link that takes you to the criteria for the broadcasters in Wyoming they had to follow. So if you have any questions of whether or not one of the entries may not have complied, here's where the rules are. So I'll click back, bring this back to our quick start guide. Again, you see it took you to the site, but it didn't necessarily require you to do any more. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to log in. Now keep in mind, this is the only credentials that you're able to use. It's the only one that gets you into the level when you log in of the judging process. JUDGE number 1, PASS 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not attempt to make an account on your own. So with that in mind, you're going to click here. Now, mine's already filled because I've used it before, but that's exactly what it will look like once you enter it. When you click login, you'll know it because the menu bar here will go ahead and expand. Again, once you do that, click back again, get back to this quick start guide. Now the next thing you need to know, you do need to make sure that whoever's asked you to judge, you're very clear on the divisions and categories you will be assigned. Many times you won't be assigned an entire television, you'll be assigned a category in that. So if you're told like, well, okay, I want you to judge television category 13. When you click on this, it's going to take you to the judging grid. So we scroll down here and say, okay, I'm going to be judging category 13. That's public service. That's the information you need. And then you just go ahead and click on the public service was submitted with a video and a document. So you click on the V, and it will automatically stream back.
This might look like a regular boxing class, but...
So let's go back now, and let's look at what the document was submitted for them. Sometimes based on your browser, it might roll you back to the top, 13, but you can just scroll right back down. What's the document look like? Boom, there's the document. So once you've done your judging, you will go over here at the end of each row is a results tab. You click on that and it will take you to the form that you fill out. What the form does is that it allows you to say, okay, what division was I asked to go in? Well, it's television. Well, what categories were you asked to go into? Well, it would be 13. And then you click results, and because the WAB wants first and second place, then you go ahead and you can either copy and paste the entry name right from the spreadsheet, the grid you're looking at, and paste it in, or you can type it in. Why not swipe and copy it? Then you'll punch in the winner call letters. That's it. Two things we need from the sheet: the winner entry title and the winner call letters. And the same thing with second place. Once you fill those in, then you go ahead. You want to make general comments? Sure. You know, a lot of people love to have comments about your selection process. And if you don't mind giving us a high rating, we'd love it. Then you submit the results. Once you submit the results, you get this page as a summary sent to your email. And that's it. Last thing you do would be to cruise back here a little bit. Last thing you do is, and there's a key right here about what you're expected. The V's there will send you a YouTube video, I an image, A an audio, D a document, W a website. If you get back here and you didn't click on the results, you can always click here for a copy of the entry form, the results form, excuse me. And then finally, go down here, click here, it'll take you back to the site, you log out, and you're done. Thanks an awful lot. We appreciate all your talent working on this. And if you have any questions, get a hold of Lisa or myself. And good luck and enjoy it. Thanks for your time and talent.